Hi guys, so I decided to try this aloe vera soap making, but it turned out to be a flop. So, first you need your aloe vera. So you're going to get your aloe vera and you wash your aloe vera, and now you're going to take off the gel from the aloe vera. So you can just use knife to open the first part, and then use a spoon to scoop out the gel from the aloe vera. So you're meant to use blender to blend your aloe vera, but since I don't have blender, I would be using I'll be using my ziploc bag to put the aloe vera. Then I would use my mortar hand or asanka hand to grind the aloe vera inside the ziploc bag. But if you have your blender, you can actually use your blender straight. So since I don't have, this is what I am going to do. Well, I tried this and I was hoping it worked, but unfortunately it didn't, because I guess I missed one ingredient, or I don't know if it's because of the blender. Maybe the aloe vera wasn't smooth enough. I don't know, any of the above. Anyways, if you know how to make aloe vera, please, how to make aloe vera soap, please comment in the comment section. Let me know what I am actually missing, because I really went through a lot to do this, but at the end of the day, it didn't work out. So yeah, I'm done with my aloe vera grinding, and this is it. This is how it's looking, because I didn't use blender for it. So now I'm going to be needing soap. So you can use any soap of your choice. So this is K Brother soap, and I'm just going to melt this soap, because the soap is meant to be in a liquid form. But since what I have is a bar soap, I'm going to melt this with my fire with fire. So I'm just going to pieces this, and I'm going to put it in a pot to melt it with oil and water. So if you have a bar soap, you can do it this way too. But if your soap is liquid, or if you can get liquid soap, no problem. You can just go straight with it, and you can use any soap of your choice. So yeah, this is the melting process. I just added the soap to a pot on fire, and on low heat I just kept stirring and adding water little by little, and adding small oil also. So that was how I tried to melt my soap. But next time I'll be trying this, I guess I'll just go for a liquid soap straight away, instead of going through all the stress, because yeah, this was stressful. It took time, and at the end of the day, I ended up crying because the soap jumped into my eyes. But anyways, at the end of the day, it was still a flop. So what to do? So next time I'm just going to go straight for liquid soap. Anyways, once you're done with this, you get back to your aloe vera gel. So now you're going to mix both of them together. That's the soap and the aloe vera gel together. You're just going to mix them, and you can add a little bit of salt, so that it would thicken at the end of the day to come out like a soap bar. So you can add your vitamin E oil or vitamin C oil. So I used vitamin C oil for mine. So you can add vitamin E oil or vitamin C oil. Those two oil, they work very well for the skin. They are very good for the skin. So any of the two you can get. If you can get vitamin E preferably, no problem. Just go straight for vitamin E oil. If not, just use make do with what you have. So you just mix them together, add a little bit of salt to it, and then you turn it into a container, into a soap container, or a container you can easily remove the soap from once the soap forms. So you just turn it into a container, and you allow it sit till it turns solid. So but mine didn't end up turning solid, or what should I say, I don't even know. So at the end of the day, I just had to like throw it away because it was a flop. But we're not giving up. We're going to try this some other time, and we pray it works. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have an amazing day, and I hope you're not annoyed with this flop video. See you on the next video. Bye.